How to switch back to Google Gemini to Google Assistant as your default assistant on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restore Google Assistant on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Google to open your Google account settings. From there, tap on All Services tab at the top of the screen. At this point, scroll down and tap on Settings for Google Apps. In the next step, tap on Search Assistant and Voice to open the Assistant settings. Following this, tap on Google Assistant to open its settings. Once done, tap on Digital Assistant from Google. From here, tap on the drop-down or selection menu and choose Google Assistant from the list. At this stage, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the switch. Finally, tap Switch to confirm, and Google Assistant will now be set as your default assistant, replacing Gemini. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you switch back to Google Assistant, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.